First at 4:30, the defense takes over in the trial of an Osceola County Sheriff's deputy.
That deputy was charged after he tased a man at a gas pump, which then ignited a fire that seriously burned the man and burned the deputy as well. West 2's Michelle Meredith live outside the Orange County Courthouse with an update. Michelle?
Well, today was all about the taser, the history of it, how it works, and in particular with this taser, that everything surrounding it worked properly that day.
Up is armed and down is safe.
Brian Childs is a taser expert, works for a company that makes tasers, including the one used on Gino Barreto while he was pumping gas. The taser, the state says, sparked the ball of fire that burned over 75% of Barreto's body. The jury saw pictures, a side view, a view looking into it, and most importantly, a picture of the two cartridges. The expert told the jury not only were both deployed, he could give times down to the millisecond.
The trigger is right inside this well.
Childs testified that during the attempt to arrest Barreto at the Wawa gas station, the trigger was pulled the first time, deploying cartridge number 1. Then almost immediately, the trigger was pulled a second time. Outshot cartridge number 2.
Trigger is pulled, and just a few milliseconds later, Bay 2 is deployed, and the electricity begins to discharge.
The state has maintained on the first round the taser was deployed by another deputy on the scene, and at some point, Deputy Crawford grabbed it and fired the second cartridge.
Those are used to aim it.
But the defense literally fired back, asked the taser expert how, for a fact, anyone could know Deputy Crawford deployed the second tase, and in a tense exchange, had the expert confirm there was a glitch in the taser's software that logged inaccurate information. The point, how could any of it be trusted?
Right, but you've never seen that issue with any other taser but that taser, correct?
No, not on, well, not from evidence.
Thank you. No, all right, thank you.
The defense filed a motion for acquittal saying even if Crawford fired the taser, was it intentional? Did he mean to do it? The judge denied that motion and the trial continues. Live in Orange County, Michelle Meredith, West 2 News.